Hi everybody, so we all know that our little ones, our little pets are always kind of part of the family, aren't you, Issy? So we decided to put 3 of the top Pinterest recipes or the top recipes online for dog treats to the test. So we just have regular dog treats with drizzle on top. We have some chicken jerky and then some peanut butter oatmeal. And we're gonna have an actual taste test with my 2 dogs, with Izzy and Madison. Here, come on, Madison. Oh, there's Madison. Come on. Oh, they're gonna do a taste test for you after this. But first, I wanna show you the dog treats. They're easy to make from just 1 ingredient to several ingredients. First, we're doing the chicken jerky.
Time for the peanut butter oatmeal. It's a peanut butter banana and it's the shape of a princess crown and a heart. Madison, eat mine.
Okay, so those are 3 wonderful dog treats. Chances are your dog will love them, and they're super easy to make. So, of course, we'd love you to subscribe and comment below. Tell us some things you'd like us to make in the future. We'd like to put a lot of things to the test, including dog treats, regular food, all of that. Just make sure you also click on our post notifications. That way, you get to know when we post a new video. So, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.